Brisbane's most stylish hotel just dropped its biggest flight, 32 floors up, and the whole river's putting on a show. Check-in is done, and let's see what's behind door number 1. Even the blinds know how to make an entrance. And this is where the jet lag goes to disappear. And this is where I'm never leaving. Let's get into it. What's up, everybody? Here we are at the W here in Brisbane. Let's go take a look at what's inside. Can you believe this was the first W to be built in Australia? First stop, the elevator. And yeah, that's a beetle on the wall. It's not random. This whole hotel's design pulls from Brisbane's native wildlife and the river right outside. And it's woven straight into the architecture. But the wall art is not the only history hiding in this building. This entire block used to be the site of Brisbane's Supreme Court, a grand courthouse that was opened back in 1879 and stood for nearly 90 years until an arsonist started a fire in September of 1968. And what rose in its place was Brisbane's Law Courts Complex, where the Supreme Court and District Courts sat for another 3 decades, right up until 2012. Once the courts moved out, the site got sold off, and a few years later, the W was built. Let's take a tour down to our room here, down here in the end. We're on 3210, and let's see what it looks like. Was anyone else expecting just a bed? I know I wasn't. Alright, let's actually see this place. Starting small, a little half bath, just to ease you in. Oh, hello. Someone left dessert, and yeah, that plate says happy birthday. They even threw in a cocktail. We love a hotel that gets right to the point. And in case sugar wasn't enough, a full espresso setup. I might never check out. This is the lounge. This looks like the kind of couch where 5 minutes could turn into 5 hours. Honestly, I could film the entire video from right here and call it a day. And then there's this. 32 floors up. The whole city's just showing off. The Brisbane River winding through downtown, not a bad angle in sight. Is that a mini bar I see over there? We'll have to go through that later. Through here, the bedroom. This is the part where my standards get permanently ruined. That bed is doing way too much work to make me want to leave this room. Oh, there's a button for everything. Even the blinds get VIP treatment. One button press and the whole city's on display. Now the bathroom. We're starting with the tub, obviously because of priorities. Doesn't it look like you could just jump in there? Oh, is that a TV built right into the wall above it? And they set up an entire bath ritual here. Body oil, bubble bath, all made locally here in Byron Bay. This isn't just a bath, it's an event. And the shower gets its own room. In case the tub wasn't already winning, this shower is amazing. The toilet has its own room, separate doors, separate vibes. Double sink situation, because sharing one sink in 2026 should honestly be illegal. The bathtub was just amazing. We both had a bath in there. It's not quite big enough for both of us to have a bath at the same time. We have 2 different bars of soap. We have one is bigger, one smaller. One's for the bath, for the shower, I guess. We have some cleansing cream, some mouthwash, and some body cream. We got our GHD hair dryer. We got our toothbrush, our toothpaste. Got some sanitary bag, makeup remover, hair and nail and shower kit, shave kit, and a loofah. And that's about it. All right, let's check out what's in the mini bar here at the W in Brisbane. So we have our pre-made cocktails here. We have the Negroni, the Margarita, the Martini. This looks like it's blackberry raspberry liqueur. I got some gin, we got some whiskey back there. We got our shaker and our glasses there. We have our crackers. We got some socks. That looks cool. We got some chocolates. Yeah, we got 2 different kinds there. What else do we got? Oh yeah, nice wine there. And then let's see what's in the mini fridge here. It's a cool, it just kind of slides out. We got some rosé here. We got some bubbly. Everybody likes their bubbly, and then some different beers. We got some Pepsi in here. Got some orange juice, a Red Bull. Pretty much whatever you kind of need is right here. Here are the prices. Seems pretty reasonable, and I think that's about it. I just got in this morning, actually, so Sharon actually spent the night in the bed in the super duper extra suite. We had a nice lounge room, which I'm currently sitting in. We had a nice bedroom. We had a double bathrooms. That was really nice. Another unbelievable view. I guess they need to give something to the guests that aren't staying on the 32nd floor, but branding on point as usual for the W. These seats will look really nice to have a cocktail in. Can you believe this heated pool has floating pillows? I can just lay in them all day. This gym has everything you need to get your sweat on. Everything from machines to free weights to dumbbells up to 26 kilos. Oh, and you can't forget the cardio. There's plenty of those machines too. Last night's stay in this ginormous room only cost us $230. I would rate the hotel experience overall 8.5 out of 10, and the room 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. It really helps the channel when you like and subscribe.